Are you looking to clear mobile data usage on your iPhone? Managing your mobile data effectively is crucial, especially if you have a limited data plan. This guide will provide you with effective steps to help you manage and clear your mobile data usage effectively. Let's get started. Reset cellular data usage statistics. To reset your mobile data statistics, open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Reset Statistics. Confirm your choice to reset the data usage statistics. This action will clear your data usage statistics and allow you to track your usage from this point forward. By following these steps, you should be able to clear and manage your mobile data usage on your iPhone effectively. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.